I hate to iron, so I'm really excited about this handheld garment steamer. In the past, I've seen garment steamers that were like big and bulky and kind of intimidating and not something that I would really want to use. So this one is actually really exciting because it is super compact. So this is what it looks like here coming out of the packaging. It looks really simple, which is nice because I don't like complicated gadgets. You've got your water fill line here, minimum and max, and it plugs in. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some water in this and get this ready to go. So I put some water in my steamer, and then when I first plugged it in, this light was red. It heated up really quickly, like in under a minute it heated up. So there's a little button I push here, like a little trigger, and I'm gonna go ahead and push it. I did install this little piece on here as well. You just press it right on. And now I'm ready to steam my garment. It is just new out of the package, so it's very wrinkly, and I need to wear it. So this is working super quickly, and it's really easy to use. You can see it getting the creases out there. This is so much better than ironing. This is going to save me so much time and effort when it comes to getting my family's clothes ready and doing laundry. I love it.